Yo, what's going on, YouTube? Straight up and down on the rails on my mom. This video deserves like 100 likes, bro. Who else on YouTube do you know that has put three of the most famous Hoovers side by side? We have three beautiful Hoover soften lights. We have one blue, one green, one maroon. All three have working headlights. All three softback, all soften lights. I want to get a little bit closer to y'all, or for y'all, and to you. It doesn't matter. Just a little bit about these Hoover soften lights. I got that blue one in 2020 during the world pandemic. I got this green one in 2017, and I got this maroon one in 2021. Don't ask me where, I don't remember. I got too many vacuums. Anyway, here they are, man. Up close and personal. Hoover convertible soften light. That one is a 7 amp. This one is a 7 amp. And that one is a 7 amp. Blue, green, maroon. And they all work and sound brand new. So I'm glad to give you what you want, give you what you're looking for. I'm telling you, if you're a real vacuum lover, if you're a true Hoover fan, I'm your dude. I'm the man to come to. I'm the one you want to be friends with, man. I'm the guy. I'm the one you're looking for. They look beautiful side by side. I'm gonna go ahead and run the video for y'all, man. Run the video, run the vacuums for you. Since we're doing 3, it'll be kind of quick. But all what the hell, you still get to listen to them. We'll start with this maroon one. Up next, in between, is the green. Last but not least, the true blue. If you love Hoovers, you're gonna love this. You better love this video. Yeah, I said it, you better love this video. No excuses, no assumptions. This video deserves at least 45 likes, and I want them.